Updated and move-in ready condo in Mirror Lake. This beautifully updated 2-bedroom 2-bath main floor condo combines comfort, style, and peace of mind. Major improvements have already been taken care of for you. Hurricane impact windows installed in 2021, $7,975 value. New AC system installed in 2021, $5,300 value. Roof replaced in 2014. Updated galley-style kitchen with stainless steel appliances, glass front cabinet doors for an upscale look, granite counters. Both bathrooms have walk-in showers and granite counters. Primary bedroom walk-in closet has closet organizer to utilize all the space for storage. Porcelain tile flooring throughout for durability and easy maintenance. Recent special assessment fully paid by seller. Set within the Mirror Lake community, now under new professional management, this condo is part of a vibrant neighborhood that offers resort-style amenities, heated pool and spa, fitness center, pickleball, tennis, shuffleboard, and a clubhouse, all for condo fees less than $500/m. Prime location, just minutes to IMG Academy, State College of Florida, shopping, dining, and only 9 miles from award-winning Gulf beaches and Sarasota-Bradenton International Airport. With its updates, paid assessments, and unbeatable location, this condo offers more than just a place to live, it's a lifestyle.